Welcome to the introduction to AWS Shield, Amazon Web Services Shield. It is Amazon's managed service that protects applications from distributed denial of service attacks. AWS Shield provides a reliable layer of security to keep your critical resources and services safe from malicious internet traffic. A distributed denial of service attack, often pronounced as DDoS, is when hackers use many computers from different locations to flood a target with too much traffic. This overwhelming flood of traffic can disrupt websites or applications, making them slow or even completely unavailable to real users. There are several types of distributed denial of service attacks. Infrastructure layer attacks target the network and transport layers, like Transmission Control Protocol Synchronize, or TCP/SYN, Floods and User Datagram Protocol, or UDP, floods. Application layer attacks focus on web applications, such as Hypertext Transfer Protocol, or HTTP, floods and domain name system query floods. Volumetric attacks try to consume all available bandwidth with massive amounts of data, causing disruptions for everyone trying to connect. AWS Shield is a fully managed security service that helps keep applications running on Amazon Web Services safe from distributed denial of service attacks. It comes in two main levels: the standard tier, which is free and automatically protects everyone, and the advanced tier, which provides premium protection and extra support around the clock. Shield Standard is included for free with all Amazon Web Services accounts. It gives automatic, always-on protection against common network and transport layer attacks, such as infrastructure-based distributed denial of service attacks. It works without any extra setup and does not require manual configuration. Shield Standard also offers inline mitigation, which means your resources stay protected with almost no delay or downtime when facing attacks. Shield Advanced is the premium tier of protection in AWS Shield. It offers enhanced detection that can stop application layer attacks, meaning it also covers Layer 7 threats. Customers get access to the DDoS Response Team, available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, for expert support. Shield Advanced also includes cost protection, so extra fees from attack-related spikes in traffic are covered. Detailed, real-time reports help teams monitor and respond to security incidents quickly. With Shield Advanced, a wide range of Amazon Web Services resources can be protected. This includes Amazon CloudFront, Elastic Load Balancing, Route 53, AWS Global Accelerator, Elastic Internet Protocol addresses, and EC2 instances. Advanced users also benefit from free integration with the AWS Web Application Firewall, adding even more security at no additional charge. To summarize, AWS Shield delivers managed distributed denial of service protection for Amazon Web Services resources. The standard tier is free and enables automatic coverage. The advanced tier provides extra features like application layer protection and expert support. AWS Shield is designed to work seamlessly with other AWS services, making it essential for business-critical applications that demand reliable uptime and strong security.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.